What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about the Rome 95 liter rugged case. This case is a little over 11 inches tall, about 19 inches wide, and about 46 inches long. The Rome 95 liter rugged case comes with a set of nylon grab handles to make it easy to transport. However, if you want to mount it to Rome's rugged mount, you will need to remove the handles and install these brackets here that come with the mount. Inside the case, we have the military grade seal that is dust proof and waterproof to keep all of your gear inside clean and dry. This case is really good for your larger gear. So if you guys have axes or shovels, we have 2 chairs in here and 2 tables from Helinox. We also have the Rome rugged bag. This is the 1.2 bag with some enamel wear that we have in here. This is nice because you can actually remove it out of the case, bring it to your table or whatever. We also have the lid organizer up here. This lid organizer is probably one of my favorite things that Rome sells, just because of these pre-configured pouches that have larger sizes and some smaller ones and some mesh ones. This one right here, you can put a little light in here to illuminate your case at night. So here's an example of a larger gear that you guys would normally bring. This is a standard camping chair. You guys could probably fit 2 of these in here right next to each other with a little bit of room left over. We also have 2 Helinox chairs in here. You could probably fit 4 or 5 of the Helinox chairs just because they're a lot more packable. So the way that I have my 95 liter rugged case mounted is on my Prinzu roof rack. It is sitting on the rugged mount that is mounted to the load bar, and with this mount it has 4 points of contact on each end of the case, allowing the case to really have very limited travel. And once it is on the mount itself, you put the hook on here and then you latch it in place, and you can also lock the mount. That way nobody tries to steal this, and then of course you can lock the case as well, so that way nobody can get inside. So here's a little comparison between the 83 liter and the 95 liter. The 83 liter is a little bit longer, but it's not as tall. The 95 liter is not as long, but it's a lot taller. All right, guys, that is going to be it for this video. And remember, we will have all of Rome's products at runningfortacos.com, or you guys can give us a call or visit us at our Denver location, and we'll see you guys in a later video. Peace.